Hello, so welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you this particular tool that can actually help you rank your YouTube videos into the first page, yes. So this tool works with ChatGPT Premium, yes, whereby it can help you do different things like optimization of your content, or if you want to discover videos for a particular keyword, videos that are already existing ranking on a particular keyword, then you duplicate or copy their kind of keyword so that you yourself can rank as they rank. If you want to generate videos, you want to generate your content with AI for your videos, you want to generate keywords, you want to generate hashtags that ranks, you understand, it can do that. If you want to analyze a particular video whereby you want to know everything in detail that was done on that video, to know the reason why it's ranking and to know how you can actually proceed to create something like that and rank like that video or even better. If you want to look for tag, you can see tag finder right here. You want to look for similar tags, right, that are similar to a particular keyword you're going to give or that you already have on a video you want to upload on YouTube. So this is the hashtag finder feature whereby you can find similar hashtags to rank for as well. So you can also favorite your tags whereby you will have some tags that are in your favorite section whereby you can fall back to at any time to use for any of your video, right? So the favorite hashtags work the same as well. You can also favorite videos. Yes, you can favorite your videos to use later on, and also favorite channels. In this tool, you can add as many channels as possible whereby you can connect. Yes, you can connect your channel. You can see these are my two channels right here. You can see they are connected. So you can have unlimited number of channels. That means if you are, let me say for example, you have multiple channels that you're managing or that you're creating contents for, you can use this tool to manage all the YouTube channels right here. You can see how wonderful that is. And another thing that this tool can do is it can automatically post all your content on YouTube, right, for any channel that is being connected. I believe you understand that. So you can upload video. When you come to upload, you can upload anything you want right here. You can see the videos on your channels as well. So if you come to optimize right here, you can put your keywords, your title. You can see this title. You can put a base title right here, or you put a keyword, and this ChatGPT Premium will automatically generate a title for you, the best title that fits this kind of content, right? So if you want the best description, it can do that as well. It can also generate keywords for you, right? Tags, it can also generate tags for you. It can also give you a kind of analysis of your content, the optimization score, right, so that you can know how to improve your optimization score or reduce your optimization score, right? So if you are able to increase your optimization score, you know your video is going to do well, right? So you can also select whether you want the video to be posted as a public video, private video, or unlisted from these two. And you can select any channel you want to post your video on. Let me say you want to post on you can see in my own case Diggitech Studio or Diggitech Official. So let me select Diggitech Studio. It also works for Vimeo, right, and also Dailymotion. For those people that are creating content on Vimeo and Dailymotion, you can also do the same as well. You can see how powerful this tool is. Let me say for example, I want to create, my main keyword is digital marketing. Maybe I want to create a video on digital marketing, or I already have a video created on digital marketing I want to upload on YouTube, right? So I will just copy it. I can just come to this title. Maybe I don't have a title yet, so let me click on this AI. You will see the magic of the AI right now. Look at it. It is able to bring out different ranking titles. Look at this first one. It says unlocking success with digital marketing strategies. Look at this one, navigating the digital marketing landscape. transforming business with digital marketing, the new frontier in advertising, mastering the art of digital marketing. How digital marketing is shaping modern business. So let me say, for example, I want to use a particular, or I'm okay with a particular title, or if you are not satisfied, what you can do is you can still generate again, right? So let me say I'm satisfied with this one. Let me say the evolution of data marketing techniques. I click on use. So I will then come to title. I will copy the title, put it on description, and also use AI to write the description. And make sure you know that this AI is ChatGPT Premium, so it's going to create something really fantastic for you. So you can see the description is gave me right here. Explore the transformation of data marketing methods over time, delve into innovative strategies that have reshaped the online advertising landscape, blah blah blah, right? So if I'm okay with this, I can either click on use or copy to clipboard. So if I'm not okay, I can still generate another one. Look at it, it generates something else entirely for me that is also fantastic, right? So let me say I'm okay with this. I can decide to click on copy to clipboard and paste it right here, or use it on my video directly on YouTube if I don't want to use this tool to upload automatically. So if I want to use this tool, I will just click on use. You can see it has filled up my description space right here. You can see how wonderful that is, right? So if you are still not okay with what you have, but you still want to improve this particular content you have, you can still click on generate again. You can see it's going to give you something, and you can, this works unlimitedly. It works unlimitedly. So this one is for keyword. So get keywords from AI. So if after I've actually used AI to generate my content, I can still get keywords, generate keywords that is actually ranking on YouTube currently for that particular content or video title. So if I'm okay with all of this keyword, I can decide to click on add all keywords, right? So you can see that it has automatically added all the keywords to my tags right here. So it will automatically put all of this in my tag page. Yeah, it's going to put it on my tag page on YouTube, right? So if I'm not okay with this, I can still get more tags from AI by clicking this particular one. You can see these are more tags that are still ranking as well. So it can, if I click on analyze, you can see it gave me an optimization score of 68%. That means it's now going to give me recommendations on how to improve this to reach 100%. So let us check the recommendation out. The first recommendation right here is you can still add more content to the title. That is, this title is telling me that I can still add more content to it to improve the optimization score. The description, you are just about there. Make sure you put your call to actions. So you can see that this description doesn't end with call to action yet. So I can put a call to action that if you want to get a particular thing from this course, kindly click on this link, something like that. Or even if you have affiliate links, you can attach it to this description as well. So another one is, it says add a link to your website or social pages in the description. You can see if you add a link in the description to your website or social pages as well, it will also help you optimize your score. So he said please use up to 5 hashtags in the description. So in this description, I will need to use up to 5 hashtags right there. You can see what it's telling me right now. Please add a good thumbnail, right? So your thumbnail has to be professional. Those are the recommendation is giving you for your this thing to rank higher as well. Add the video to a playlist. Use the keyword in the playlist name. So you can see how wonderful that is. So this tool is really powerful. Let me show you other things that this can actually do. We've checked the optimized video right here. So if you come to discover, let me say I want to discover this thing of different videos, and if I want to generate all my this thing with AI, let me say best digital marketing strategies. And this that I'm putting, the reason I'm using digital marketing is just for samples. You can use this for any content, any video title, any topic, any niche. I believe you understand. This works for any niche and for any country as well. So if I click on generate, you will see the magic that is going to happen right here. Voila. So you can see what it's actually able to help us to bring out just by putting a keyword right there. It brings out related titles that I can select from. I can decide to choose any of these titles that is actually ranking on YouTube. You can see the description. It's able to help me scan through different videos on YouTube to pick out the necessary things that makes them rank and also refine it for my own content right here. You can see the description. You can see it gives me everything, all the call to action, everything I need, right? You can see it. In this video, we explore the power of content marketing and how crafting engaging valuable contents will drive traffic to your site and convert visitors to loyal customers, and so on and so forth. You can see finally we touched you can see that it gave me the call to action. It gave me everything, right? So it also gave me the keywords. Yeah, look at it. These are the keywords. It also gave me the keywords already separated in comma, whereby I can use. Look at it. It also gave me the hashtags I can use as well. You can see how wonderful this tool is. Without even I don't need to do anything. I just need to input what I want. It's going to give me the title, the description, the keywords, the best hashtags after scanning through other people's contents that are ranking for that particular topic on YouTube. You can see that this is actually a game changer, right? So if I come to analyze right here, I can decide to copy any YouTube link, and I can copy any YouTube link, paste it here, and I will analyze everything about the YouTube link. Let us do that. So here I am on YouTube. I would like to use this particular YouTube
Currently, I'm a makeup artist. And
look at it. African mom ranks 5 potential partners to her daughter. So let's do that. Let me just copy the link and go back to the powerful tool. So here I am on the tool. Let me paste the link I just copied right now and click on go. Let us check if it's able to analyze this video and show us the reason why it is actually ranking. Look at it. Yeah, you can see the title right here. African mom ranks 5 potential partners for her daughter. Let me say I want to create a video like this. I want to create a content like this, and I also want to rank like this. He's able to give me the description, everything right there. He's able to give me the number of likes this video has, the number of views this video has currently, which is 95.58k, the number of comments 735, right? And also the ratio between the views and likes. It's able to give me that. So if I want to, it can also give me the keywords. You can see view keywords. If it has a ranking keyword, it's going to also show me the keywords used in the video. So let me say, for example, I want to create a content like this, and I want the title to be different but similar for it to rank well, right? You know, as a YouTuber, I need to be able to make research. Let me say this is my research, and I just want to create something a little bit different from this so that I can rank. Look at it. It's able to give me different titles. Look at it. African mother elevates suitors for her daughter. Mom from Africa accesses 5 suitor options for daughter. African parents judges top 5 matches for daughter. You can see how crazy that is, and I can click on use. So if I click on use, it's going to automatically take me to optimize video, where I can automatically post it on my YouTube, right? Don't forget, I can select the YouTube channel I want to use right here. But not just that, I can also do the same for description. You can see get description alternatives from AI, right? And mind you, this is ChatGPT Premium that we are using right here. So you can see how crazy that is. It has given me wonderful description. You understand? Wonderful description. If I'm not okay with it, it's generated it from their own description. If I'm not okay with it, I can just generate another description for it to rewrite for me, and click on use or copy to clipboard and make few adjustments to my own taste. And also keywords. If I want to get keywords that are similar to this, you can see cruise video, casting call, join the cruise, Instagram, YouTube channel, proxy dating, physical appearance. So these are the keywords that are currently ranking for this video, and is able to generate it for me, and I can just add all keywords. It should automatically add these keywords to my optimized video right here. You can see without me needing to copy one after the other. So once I'm done with it and I want to upload my video, all I just need to click on is upload video, select the video, and it will automatically upload on my YouTube. Then I put my thumbnail and everything is done like that. You can see how crazy that is. So if you want to find tag as well, let me say I want to analyze tags from other people's video, right? So I can select the number of videos I want to analyze it from that are currently ranking for that particular keyword or tag. So let me say digital marketing, as I've been using digital marketing, right? So I can say, okay, I want to analyze from the top 5 videos, top 10 videos, top 15 to top 50. You can select anyone. So let me select top 10. Then I will click on go. So you will see the magic that this is going to perform. Voila! So you can see it has analyzed the top 10 videos for digital marketing and look at all the keywords that are currently ranking for it. You can see how crazy that is. Internet marketing, marketing 4.0, online marketing, digital marketing 2023, digital marketing basic, digital marketing course, what is digital marketing, and so how to advertise your business. You can see that this is really crazy. And if you want to use AI to get the tags, you can also click on it right there. You can see, and it's also going to what? It's also going to do that for you. These are the AI tags that I just generated: digital advertising, online marketing, and so on and so forth. And you can, it also give you suggestion: digital marketing full course 2024, digital marketing course for beginners. These are also the tags that are actually ranking. You can do the same with hashtag. You can see, you just put your keyword, let me select 10, go. So you just put, so it's going to analyze this from all the top 10 videos. You can see these are the keywords that all the top hashtags that all the top 10 videos actually used on YouTube, right? And you can decide to favorite some tags from here. Just enter a group name, create a group name, and favorite the tag so that you can be able to use for later. The same thing with hashtags, the same thing with favoriting videos, the same thing with favoriting channel as well. You can also add other people's channel here to favorite and be monitoring for your videos or anything you want to create later on. You can see how crazy that is. So you can see the analysis. It also has an inbuilt analysis that will show the level of tags and hashtags that you've used and everything you've been doing. So you can sort it by day, by week, and by month. So you can see how crazy that is. So you can do as many things as possible with this tool. So if you want to get the lifetime premium access to this tool, make sure you click on the link that is attached to the description below. Don't miss it, so that you don't stay be using your old way of ranking your video that doesn't work anymore. So make sure you get this tool and change your YouTube game. Bye guys.